Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to show or hide bookmark bar in Windows 11 or 10 PC in Vivaldi browser. For this, first open Vivaldi browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the top left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Vivaldi settings, select bookmarks in the left sidebar. On the right sidebar, you will see this one section, bookmark bar. Here you need to check this one option, show bookmark bar, to display bookmarks bar in Vivaldi browser, and in case you want to hide the bookmark bar, just uncheck this one, show bookmark bar option. Depending on the configuration, you will see uh, bookmarks in the Vivaldi browser.